Hello friends, now we will see the sound difference of shutter Nikon G6 Mark II and Nikon D850 cameras. So now you are seeing on display Nikon G6 and 850. G6 and 850, the both camera sound is so nice. Both camera sound is so lovely. Now you can see the Nikon G6 Mark II, that is the mirrorless camera, and D850 is full frame. So now once again you will see in the same time, and this is very nice sounds
of both cameras.